Betty Bird. Oh, look at. In the pictures, have three baby birds in the branch next to mommy bird. Mommy bird. Look at the cat and one little bird talking. And one baby bird want to throw the nut in the cat. One baby bird looking at the cat too. Oh, look, the baby bird is flying. Oh, I see the pictures have one is small, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger, then it's flying. I'm Betty Bird. Spring. I'm Betty Bird. In the spring, when it gets warm, I make a nest. I make it high up in a tree. I see it. Oh, the mother bird is making a nest. And it has a color yellow.
I think it's brown, not yellow.
Oh, yes, brown. And she makes it high up in the trees, and I can see them.
What does she use to make the nest?
She do hay.
Oh.
I lay eggs in my nest. Then I sit on them. I watch the pretty flowers grow, and I watch out for cats climbing my trees. I see the cat think the cats will climb up the trees and eat the eggs. But the mommy bird and the mommy bird think that too. Then I think she don't fly away. After many days, little baby birds come out of my eggs. They are very hungry. They want to eat all the time. I see three little baby birds very hungry, and they say, and the mommy bird have to fly away to find worm for her babies to eat.
Why the baby bird is smart? Always eat on time.
Because they need to grow. Then they big like mommy bird. I fly away to find worms for all my babies to eat, and I watch out for cats climbing my trees. Then she fly away to find worm for her baby again too. And the cat look up. The cat don't see any eggs at all, just see baby birds so loud. And the cat said, meow. And the cat silly and said, meow. Summer. When the summer comes, the days get hot. My babies grow and grow. Soon they learn to fly. We sit together and sing a pretty song. I see one baby bird is singing, but one baby girl was so hot. Then the baby bird jump up and think he can fly too. Then he sings.
What's the song they sing?
I think they sing a song. You are my sunshine. And the sun gets hotter and hotter. Then I think they can swim in the pond.
Really? The bird can swim?
Yes.
I never see that.
The eagle. Eagle is a bird. It can swim.
No. It's
I watch in the TV. It's on the duck in the water. Then it's the
they
duck
swoop
down
and down.
Get the duck, but
Not swim.
Swoop down and get the duck, but the duck's so heavy, and the eagle swim. I watch in the TV. It's real.
Really?
Yeah. And we watch out for cats climbing our trees. One baby bird looking at the cat what to eat there, but the mommy just sings too. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. And the cat wants to climb up and eat the bird, but I need to say the cat with the cat. Don't eat the bird. It's not good. You need to make friends with the bird. And when you want to eat something, I think bird can help you to get it. When the bird wants to eat something, I think you can help they to dig. I think you can help the bird dig the soil and get the worm. Autumn. When autumn comes, a cool wind blows. We watch the leaves change colors and fall from the trees, and we watch out for cats climbing our trees. Oh, I think this picture, the cats want to eat the same too. No, it's a bird cat. Winter, when winter comes.
No,
When?
Right?
Yeah.
The cat.
Yeah. When?
Winter. Look cat.
Then winter comes. My babies are big birds now. It is cold and snow falls. Some very nice children put out seeds for us to eat. I see one boy put out some seeds for family birds to eat. And Mama called her babies come and eat. And the cat is hiding. I see the cat is hiding and wants to jump out and get one baby bird, a mommy bird. When we see a cat, we fly back up high into our trees. All the children loud, "Hot bird! Oh, bird! Look, there is the cat!" And mommy bird said to her babies, "Come up, kids!" And the cat nearly can't jump up out. And they fly up high in the trees too. Spring, and then spring comes again. I make a new nest for new eggs. My little ones make nests for their eggs, and they watch out for cats climbing their trees. I see their mommy bird is smile, and I see her make a new nest too, and high up in another trees. Oh, the cat has two baby too. It looks so cute. And this kitten says with the bird is meow. One baby kitten is smile too, and mommy cat have a long tail than her babies, and she's looking for the three baby birds making a nest in another tree, and she wants to sit with her baby climb up there to get some eggs for me. And the mommy bird said, "No, please. Don't get our eggs. Can you make friends with me?" The cat said, "Make friends? How can I make friends?" The bird said, "If you help me to dig the soil to get warm, I will give you. I think I can walk down the stream and get the fish for you." And the cat said, "Oh, I know now." The end of the story.